Welcome back to our channel where we make programming concepts easy and understandable. In today's video, we'll be discussing the equals and hashcode contract in Java. What are equals and hashcode? In Java, the equals method is used to compare two objects for equality. The hashcode method, on the other hand, returns an integer that represents the hashcode value of the object. Both of these methods are important for working with objects in Java, but they are often used together as part of the equals and hashcode contract. The equals and hashcode contract. The equals and hashcode contract is a set of rules that govern how the equals and hashcode methods should be implemented in Java. These rules are important because they ensure that objects behave correctly when used in collections such as hashmap and hashset. The contract states that if two objects are equal, their hashcodes must be equal as well. This means that if the equals method returns true for two objects, their hashcode methods must return the same integer value. The reverse is not necessarily true. If two objects have the same hashcode, they may or may not be equal. In order to satisfy the contract, it's important to implement both the equals and hashcode methods correctly. The equals method should return true if the objects being compared have the same values for all of their fields. The hashcode method should return an integer value that is based on the values of the object's fields, so that if two objects are equal, their hashcodes will be the same. Let's take a look at an example of how to implement the equals and hashcode methods correctly. In this example, we have a person class with two fields, name and age. We override the equals and hashcode methods to ensure that they follow the contract. The equals method checks that the other object is a person object and that it has the same values for name and age. The hashcode method uses the object's hash method to generate a hashcode value based on the values of the name and age fields. That's it for today's video on the equals and hashcode contract in Java. Remember, it's important to implement both the equals and hashcode methods correctly in order to ensure that your objects behave correctly when used in collections such as hashmap and hashset. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.